Now we've got for you here this Volkswagen Passat. It's a 2-litre TDI Evo SCR R-Line DSG 150 PS. Now as you can see, the car is a real standout, and it's got a top spec as well, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, silver roof rails, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, a city emergency brake, a multifunction front-facing camera, and these 19-inch Pretoria alloy wheels. Now the boot, it just pops open. It's spacious and it's humongous. The interior has 3-zone climate control, a dynamic road sign display, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.